In this video, we're going to learn how to make this 3D printable tire inside Fusion. This project is perfect if you want to start incorporating TPU into your own projects or designs, or if you want to learn how to create your own custom tires for your own personal projects. To get started with this, the first thing you want to do is to open up a blank new canvas inside Fusion. Then let's go ahead and create a center diameter circle, and then from here, sketch this out and extrude this so that way we have a basic cylinder. Now, what we want to do with this is to extrude this out around 10 millimeters, and then from here, we want to go ahead and add a fillet to all of the edges around our design. To create a pattern around this ring, what we need to do is to create a tangent plane. To do that, we can select tangent plane within Fusion, then go ahead and select the face of our circle, and now we have a plane which we can use to sketch our design. The next thing I want to do is to import an image or a reference, so that way I can create my pattern, and then importing this image, I can go ahead and start sketching out my design. What I want to do here is to use the control point spline tool to kind of map out exactly what I want my tread to look like, and then once I have this mapped out, I can go ahead and deboss this sketch into our product here. What I'm really looking for is to get the simple Y pattern onto our tire, so that way we have a basic look for our design. Next, once we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and add a small chamfer, and then from here, I'm gonna circular pattern this all around our wheel, making sure I'm setting the compute type to optimized. And once that's done, you have a basic and simple tire ready to be 3D printed, and you can also incorporate TPU into this project, so that way you get a more realistic look to your 3D prints. If you wanna learn how to create functional and articulated designs for 3D printing, make sure to check out the 14-day design challenge. We basically cover everything you need to know to creating your own models for 3D printing without being an expert, having a fancy printer, or having to wait weeks to months to try to figure all this stuff out. If you're interested, you can find the link in bio.